Hey, it's JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. I thought I'd do a quick video on this particular Parang Terung and show you how I'm going to have it modified to make it even better. I've done a video on this particular Parang before, so do check it out in the link in the card above or description below. I even did some field tests to show how effective it is based on its design. This is really designed as a clearing or de-limbing parang. It's great for those purposes. It also can be used for all-round cutting tasks and chopping, but it really excels in clearing and de-limbing and just doing those very nimble slices and chops that you require. However, I found that the handle was a bit big for my liking. It was just a bit blocky because I have small to medium hands and I wanted something that could be more ergonomic. So I wanted to see if I could change out these handles. I sought out a custom knife maker in Klang, Malaysia, Easy Blades, and got him to change the handles for me. And here's the new and improved Parang Terung with mica scales. This is very dark royal blue, orange liners. It has actually become more slim, and you can see there's actually shape to the handle, a bit of a swell, but it becomes less blocky, much easier to grip and more comfortable. Compare that to the wood scales, which are just really blocks, or those rounded top and front, but I felt it was a bit too thick. Now you can see it's slimmer near the top and slimmer at the bottom. And this allows my small to medium hands to get a better purchase when using this. Now, I've brought it out to the field this past weekend and used it. Now, the blade, as I've mentioned, great for delimbing and clearing. So I was really more interested in the scales. Now, much more easy to hold on to, and because of the sculpted handle and it being slightly slimmer, I could get much better purchase, less fatiguing, and I could definitely feel more confident with the tool. I would say that as my hands really perspired and got soaking wet, I did find this a bit slippery. Now, it's not supposed to be slippery. My carton generally not slippery, and he actually mentioned, knife maker mentioned, that it would not be slippery, but I found it slippery in my hands. Now, if I wear gloves, absolutely no problem, and if I bring this out for clearing, I would definitely wear gloves, so really would be confident with this handle. It is definitely an upgrade, and I should mention the sheath. So this is the sheath that came with the original knife. Now, it is functional. I wouldn't say it's the best Kydex sheath. It works, but I was happy to note that my regular parang, which is this one, the My Parang Village Chandong, and I have a custom sheath made by Mirror Knives out of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Well, if you look at these two blades, the shape is very different from each other. However, they actually are about the same, especially when it comes to the sheath. And I was pleasantly surprised to learn that this fits perfectly. Absolutely no rattle, and that's how I brought it out in my jungle. So I don't really have to make a new sheet for it because I'll never bring these two parangs out at the same time when I go out to the field. Very, very unlikely. It'll be either or depending on the activities I'm in. So when I went out this last time, I brought it out with this sheath and it worked perfectly. I felt the balance was a bit off just because I think the sheath is bigger. So when it was on my belt, which is how I carry it, it tended to ride a bit like that. It wasn't as straight as if this particular knife was in. But that's just the way, because this wasn't custom made for it. If I were to custom make a sheath for this, then I believe it would be slimmer, follow the shape more, and be more balanced. But I don't think I want to make a new sheath. This works adequately, so I'm going to just stay with it, and I'm really happy with it. And basically, this is just an exercise of making a tool that you have even better. For me, the main thing was the handle. That was my main gripe about this parang. Even though the blade and the balance and the grind is perfect, the handle was the one that threw me off. But now I've got it, works really well, and I'm really happy with it. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Have you ever modified your parang or a big knife so that it suits you better? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.